video I'll show how to connect to Postgres database from the Python script. So I have there open pgadmin for database. So I have that Postgres database up and running. So the first thing, I created the file for database configurations. So section PostgreSQL with host, localhost database. My database is called Postgres. So this one. And username and password. And I'm not specifying here port because it's the same. Default port. But if you're not default, you can also put a port here. So, and I created this config file for reading and parsing the configurations for database. So need import config parser and then create a function that I will call for my main script, pass in file name and section, and set up for default configuration file name and section PostgreSQL. So creating parser here, PostgreSQL config parser, and then reading file using this parser. So with default name. So creating database dictionary and just reading section, which is in my case PostgreSQL, and parsing parameters and saving to dictionary, and just returning this dictionary. So, and then created the main script called app.python, and import. Will be using the library, which is a database adapter, PostgreSQL. Not sure how to pronounce it. It's PG2, something like this. So you have to install it with pip. Let me make it bigger. So should be able just running pip install pg or whatever too, but I wasn't able to do like this. I had to do binary /binary to be able to install it. So you can try both, whatever works for you. And then I'm importing this library and importing config. So then I will be calling connect function and make it probably bigger. So define connection to none first, and then in try section I'm reading and parsing database configuration using config function from the other script, and passing these parameters, database parameters, to the connect method on the module psycho pg2, and then creating cursor on this connection. It is used to execute queries. So, and then I'm executing just select version, which we're supposed to get the version of database, and I'm saving the version into variable db underscore version, using fetch one method on the cursor, and then I'm closing cursor at the end. Have exception here if it happens, so I'm just printing error, and after I'm done I need to close the connection. So finally, so if connection basically exists, was created, so I'm closing it, and that's it, just printing, it's closed. And now just let's run it and see what happens. So just so lazy to type again, so oops, big, let's do like this. So running the script, connecting to the Postgres database version, whatever version is printed me here, and I'm closing the connection here. So it worked, and this is how you connect to the Postgres database in your Python script. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.